Aloha! So we're going to do a tutorial today about the Renu spa, and we're going to be talking about a couple different gels. So we're going to talk about the conductive gel, and we're also going to be talking about the hydrating gel, as well as the dramatic effects serum. So if you're trying to do your stomach and you want to actually firm the stomach area, the gel that you want to use is the dramatic effects serum. So the serum will actually help with the depuffing of the skin, but also too it'll help firm, tighten, and also help diminish the appearance of cellulite. So if you want to do the stomach area, you're going to want to put a generous amount of the serum on your stomach, and you're going to turn on your device. When you turn on your device, it should have 5 flashing lights. If it doesn't, you can go ahead and press the buttons until it shows 5. And 5 indicates 5 minutes. So each light represents the minutes that's left. So to do the stomach area, what you want to do is you want to go in this clockwise motion. So if you're looking down at your stomach, you want to go clockwise. And the reason behind this is because you want to go in the direction of your intestines. And so you're going to want to start up here. You have a sternum, which is right between the rib cage, and it's located right above the belly area. And you have your groin area here, which are your 2 draining points. So your draining points for lymphatic drainage is right in your sternum, and then also in the groin area on these 2 areas. So when you turn the device on, you're going to apply the serum, and you're always going to have 2 of these nodes touching the skin at all times. And when it does that, you'll hear a noise, and that noise is going to be a white noise that you'll hear. That's how you know that it's on and that you have enough conductivity. When you don't have enough conductivity, it's going to make a noise. It's going to have like 2 beeps, like doo doo. So you know that there's an error there. But how you know that it's working properly is that you're going nice and slow and it's making that white noise, okay? And then again, every minute that passes, you're gonna hear a noise, just like 1 beep to let you know that a minute has passed. So you wanna go in the direction of clockwise when you're looking down, and you're gonna wanna start from up here and go down and go circles. And it's best to start in small circles around your belly button area and then kind of work your way out. And so you're gonna go circle, 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 and then you're gonna drain it into this groin area. Again, circle, circle, and then drain it into this groin area here. And then if you want to work on specifically right up here, you can also drain up here. Now, my device just turned off because I don't have gel and I'm just doing a little demonstration. But you will want to drain upwards to drain right underneath the sternum. And you would also want to drain down here into the groin area. Okay, and so that's going to help get rid of any puffiness in this area. It's going to help to firm the skin, get rid of any cellulite as well. Now, if you have extra skin here that you want to get rid of, or those love handles, right, you want to create like a rainbow like effect. Again, keeping in mind this groin area to drain, but also too in the back area near your sacrum, you have kind of like a triangle shaped bone right here in the center. You're going to want to go from here, the groin area, above your hip bone and to the back, just like that. And then also you can take this side and you can pull it forward, going sideways from the back to the front, and then you can drain it into this groin area again. So rainbow effect over the hip bone to the back, draining it into the front area of the groin, and then also taking it to the back. And then from here, you can go sideways to get all these tighten this area here, and then you want to drain it into the front. All right, and I would do about 5 minutes or so, 5 to 10 minutes if you have extra time. For best results, you want to stay hydrated, drink a lot of water before and a lot of water after to help replenish. You will notice that when you go to the bathroom, you might have some lymphatic drainage, so you're getting rid of toxins in the body. So you want to drink a lot of water for that reason. And then Also too, you want to try to do this about 3 to 5 times a week for best results. And then again, just to reiterate, you'll want to do that with the Dramatic Effects Serum. The gel that it does come with is this conductive gel. However, you're not going to get the same effect of the firming and tightening with this gel. So you do want to use this serum. And I'll send you the link so that if you don't have it, you want to get this. Definitely amazing for cellulite and skin firming. The one that I highly recommend for any pain relief, muscle recovery, anything to do with nerve pain, varicose veins, anything like that, you're going to want to use a hydrating gel. So again, my #1 gel for doing pain relief. So use that. And if you want to do for pain relief, you could do the neck area, upper shoulders with this gel here. And you'll want to go up and down motion behind the neck. It's always great if you have somebody doing it for you. And you want to actually go right behind the ear and go up and down to start. Very light pressure. So like the weight of a nickel resting on the skin until you get into the areas that you have more muscle soreness. So you can go ahead and use these nodes to push down and get into those areas where you have tightness or any knots that you want to massage out. And again, you want to use the hydrating gel for that, for any pain relief, okay? Other places that you don't want to use it on is actually you want to avoid this area here, which is your thyroid. So do not use a device here. You could use it on the sides, that's totally fine. And then also I like to do it in the upper chest area, draining into the armpits too, because this is a very big drainage point as well. If you want to firm and tighten the arm area. So if you have any of these loose skin here that you want to firm and tighten, again, use the serum. The serum is going to help with firming, tightness, and also cellulite, dimpled skin. So you're going to want to start from here and you want to go circle motions. You can also pull it from the back into the muscle, like so, back into the muscle. And then you're going to want to drain it into the armpits. Drain into the armpits. Okay. So circle, circle, circle. You can also grab this, pull it up to the muscle, and then you want to drain into the armpits. And then do the other side as well. All right. Don't forget to take your before and after photos. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me. I'll be happy to walk you through any other questions. As far as charging goes, you want to charge it at least once a month, depending how often you use it. But there is a charger that it does sit on top of, and it's a USB, so it plugs into the wall. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions, and I'd love to see some of your results. Have a great day. Aloha.